Chief Warrant Officer Duncan. I'm an AH-64 maintenance test pilot, and this is the AH-64 Apache. We're going to start at the front. This right here is the modernized TADS. It is a sensor and laser designator for our Hellfire missile system. Up here, we have a modernized PIMBIS, and they are both also night vision systems. So this is our 30mm chain gun. It fires HEDP 30mm rounds at 625 plus or minus 25 rounds per minute. All right, this right here is an EOMS. It is a defense system against IR weapons. And then this is an RSDS puck. It is a defense system against radar. Right here we have the main landing gear. It is a tail wheel system, so we have two main landing gear with one tail wheel in the back. This is our AGM-114 Hellfire missile launcher. We can fire both Romeo and Lima Hellfires, and it can hold up to 4 on each launcher for a total of 16. So this is another EOMS. It is a sensor against IR missiles. And these are our T700 Delta engines. We have 2 of them, both made by GE, and they produce about 2,000 horsepower. So we have our radar altimeter. This is a high frequency antenna that we don't use anymore. This is an LSDS laser detection system. And this is a flare dispenser. We carry 60 total, and we have 30 in each side. And then this is our horizontal stabilator. It articulates both up and down to articulate the nose. Coming around, we have our tail wheel. They can swivel in 360 degrees. Up to our tail rotor. It's canted 55 degrees, and it's separated into 2 separate blades so that it's more efficient and it minimizes the noise signature. This is our chaff dispenser. It fires chaff up into our tail rotor system to disperse it to make a maximum radar signature. This is another flare dispenser. This right here is our SATCOM antenna for satellite communications. This is our air-to-ground antenna, so that we can talk to both ground forces and other Apaches in the air. This is a FM antenna for communications. Moving up, we have our rocket launcher. It fires 19 Hydra 70 rockets, and we can have 4 of them as well. To sight the Hydras, the pilot in the back seat has to aim the aircraft and get in trim on the target, and then release the missile system. Then here is just black boxes, we call them. They're just avionics boxes. And then coming up here, we have our Cross Sabres emblem for our unit. We're 6th Squadron, 17th Cavalry Regiment. So in the pilot seat, we have some power levers on our left side that control our total engine output. Right next to those, we have our collective, which controls the pitch of all the blades at the same time to let us go up and down. We also have our master ignition and engine start system, as well as our APU start. Coming around, we have our keyboard, which allows us to interact with our MPDs, or multi-purpose displays, which can allow us to use moving maps, weapons, targeting systems, basically anything we want. We can put up on either display, on either side. We also have our fire detection system and extinguishing system. We have our upfront display, which basically gives us a heads up of everything going on with the aircraft at the time. Coming over, we have a master zero eyes, which zeroizes everything in the aircraft. We have our standby instruments display. And then coming to the center, we have our parking brake, our cyclic, which allows us to move around laterally. We have our pedals by my feet, left and right, which turn the nose. And then in the center console, we have some maintenance switches, windshield wipers. And then finishing up, we have where our information cards go to give us all of our mission information, and our comms panel to allow us to control our comms. And finally, our HDU, which is our heads-up display for one eyeball that we use on our helmet that allows us to use our night vision system and targeting systems. This is the CPG, or co-pilot gunner station of the Apache, and it's where we conduct all of our engagements from. In the front seat, we have a SATCOM control head, which is how we use our satellite communications. We have another canopy jettison handle to jettison the canopies if we go in the water. Our fire detection and 2 MPDs, and then in the center we have our TDAC, which is the major targeting system for the TADs and our Hellfires. And then on either side we also have the handles to control all of our weapon systems from the front seat. We also have a stowable cyclic, as well as our pedals. You can fly from either seat. There's really no change. Our UFD and comms on the right side, as well as another HDU. And that is the US Army AH-64 Apache.